Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel first bank premier credit card. So all step you can see on your screen. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, this is the number and you need to call on this number, because as you can see over here, if you have any kind of queries related to your credit card, then you can call on this number like 800-510-6535, because as you can see, this is the official website and this is the number. And when we scroll down in the bottom side, if you have any kind of questions related to credit card, then you can see numbers. And let's make it little bit zoom, and you can see the number, and this is the number. You need to dial this number, and once you get connected, you can tell them that you wish to cancel your credit card, and they will guide you each and every information before cancellation process. And each and every step they will guide you how you can cancel your credit card very easily. Okay, so there is only one method by which you can cancel your credit card, that is calling method. Okay, so if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.